This is Rebecca Brady. I'm a pediatric infectious disease specialist at Cincinnati Children's, and I'm going to be discussing the ingredients that make up vaccines. Vaccines are a routine part of well-child care. Therefore, child health care providers should be able to explain vaccine basics to parents. There are three major points. First is the goal of vaccines, which is to protect the child from an infection caused by a bacteria or virus. Therefore, we take either parts of the bacteria or a weakened part of the virus called an antigen. This is then given as a vaccine, and the body in response makes antibodies. Those are proteins that circulate in the blood and recognize the virus or bacteria as foreign and attack it. The child then is protected from disease when the same virus or bacteria is encountered in the future. So essentially, vaccines trick the immune system, making the child's body think it has the illness when it doesn't, and then the child's immune system develops antibodies to protect the child in the future. Second, we need to make vaccines on a large scale efficiently so they are available for children all over the world. Usually the virus or bacteria is grown up in cells, and for example, flu virus is grown in egg cells, so there may be a little remnants of egg proteins left. Sometimes we need to add antibiotics so bad bacteria aren't grown in the cell culture, and the traces of the antibiotic may also be in the vaccine. And then third is to make the vaccine safe. Because vaccines are given to healthy children, the U.S. Food and Drug Administration sets a high safety standard. The goal is that the vaccine will be of the same consistency as it leaves the factory and stays the same until it reaches the child. So it may have stabilizers such as gelatin. It may have preservatives such as thimerosal. Thimerosal has a trace amount of mercury, but it hasn't been used in children's vaccines since 2001. There are trace amounts of thimerosal in some flu vaccines, but you can ask for flu vaccines without thimerosal. Thimerosal does not cause autism. Sometimes when you read a vaccine label, there are a whole list of ingredients with big names that sound kind of scary, but all of them are there for a reason to help the vaccine work or to make it effective. And then other small amounts of table salts and sugars are sometimes added to make the vaccine's chemistry match the body site where it's going to be given to limit local side effects. So in summary, vaccine ingredients are there to make the vaccine in large scale, to make the vaccine work, and to make the vaccine safe.